National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin until 8:30 p.m. At 8:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Hustisford, 7 miles southeast of Juneau, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Hartford, Hustisford, Iron Ridge, Rubicon, Lebanon, Woodland, and Neosho. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.